Hi everyone, I'm Meredith and today is January 7th. I'll be telling you about a research paper entitled Assessment for Preschool Science Learning and Learning Environments by Kimberly Benneman at Rutgers University, published in the spring of 2011 through an online peer-reviewed journal entitled Early Childhood Research and Practice. They open by saying that developmental research tells us that long before they attend kindergarten, young children possess content knowledge that roughly maps onto the scientific disciplines of physics, chemistry, psychology, and biology, and that they have begun to reason in ways that form the foundations for later scientific thinking. So this is the ideal time in early childhood for learning in the scientific domain, and as responsible educators, we want to know if our interactions with the children, our lesson plans, our environmental planning, if those are maximizing the opportunities for children to learn. And with the recent emphasis on STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, parents want to know as well. Typically, I would turn to formalized developmental assessments to show parents, yes, your child really is learning in this domain. And I would use classroom assessments to reassure myself and my supervisors that, yes, I really am offering the best environment for this learning to take place. But with the sciences, we don't really have those tools available to us in the field. So this paper thoroughly reviews many of the tools that are either in development or being used regionally to varying levels of success. I think it's really interesting to see all of the different tools that are out there. None of them are perfect, but there are many that are in development right now, and I had no idea before I read this how many are actually being developed. And they conclude by saying, or she concludes by saying, the field currently lacks adequate instrumentation in early science, but progress is being made both in the assessments available and in the ways that early childhood professionals can support young science learners. Much of this work, however, resides outside of the published literature. Thus, one goal of this article is to start a conversation about the current state of early science assessment instruments with the expectation that others will add to the inventory begun here. So I encourage you to read this paper. It's very short, so don't be intimidated. See what's out there, and then comment on what you use in your classroom. You can comment here through this video, or you can comment through Kimberly Benneman at Rutgers University. Just comment to your peers and let other people know what you're doing to assess your classroom situation and your students in this domain. So until tomorrow, bye-bye.